The hunger for love is much more difficult to remove than hunger for bread. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all 15 interesting facts about that Catholic nun who dedicated her life to caring for the poor and dying in the slums of Calcutta. Yes, she is no other than Saint Mother Teresa. So let's start. Number 1. Mother Teresa left home at the age of 18 and joined the Sisters of Loreto in Dublin to become a nun. She never saw her family again in her entire life. Number 2. She arrived in India in the year 1929 and began her training in Darjeeling. While in Darjeeling, she learned Bengali and started teaching at Saint Teresa School. In 1944, she became headmistress of Loreto Convent School after serving there for almost 20 years. Number 3. During her time in Calcutta, when she used to teach poor children, she had no supplies or equipment. However, she managed by writing in the dirt with wooden sticks. Moreover, when she was caring for the poor here, she herself had to beg for food. Number 4. Once a bakery man spat on her hand when had visited him for bread for her orphan children. To this, mother told him, "I will keep this for me, but give me some bread for my children," while holding her another hand. Realizing mother's kindness, the bakery guy immediately became a main bread donor for her orphanage. Number 5. In 1982, she secretly traveled to Beirut, Lebanon and offered her service to the children of Christian-dominated East Beirut and Muslim-dominated West Beirut. She proved time and again that humanity knows no religion. Number 6. In 1964, during a visit to India, Pope Paul VI gave his ceremonial limousine to her, which she offered to raise money for the leper colony. Even though she had kept the Pope waiting, he was impressed to see her dedication and offered to help her in a cause by giving his limousine. Number 7. In Gallup's yearly poll, Americans voted her as one of the 10 most admirable women 18 times in her life. Number 8. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her services to charity and the poor. She told the Nobel Peace Prize Committee that she didn't want a large celebration dinner and the money that would have been used for the dinner should be donated to the poor of Kolkata and charity. Number 9. Mother Teresa and Princess Diana were friends. During their last meeting in 1997, they prayed together and walked hand in hand on the streets of New York City. Princess Diana died in a tragic accident on 31st August and Mother Teresa passed away 5 days later. Number 10. After Mother Teresa's death and even till today, her name played at the entrance of Mother House shows in and not out. This is because Mother's tomb is present in the house and sources say she is always in the house, in body and in spirit. I would like to end this video with Mother Teresa's famous quote, "By blood I am Albanian, by citizenship an Indian, by faith I am a Catholic nun. As to my calling, I belong to the world. As to my heart, I belong entirely to the heart of Jesus."